What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're about to watch a video of me working on a baseboard heater. Now, I do want to do a full disclosure. The power is already off. Always check the power is off multiple times. You will see me in the video, but full disclosure, power is off, so don't worry about it. I'm not touching live wires. Now, it is very important that you shut it off at the breaker, not in other places, because just by turning the dial off, that does not mean the power is off to it. There's, especially on baseboard heaters, there is always still power on one of the lines. So don't think that you're safe if you just shut off at the dial thermostat, okay? So yeah, shut it off at the breaker, and let's go ahead and watch it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I am taking off these really old and outdated baseboard heaters, and I want to show y'all how to do it. So pretty much we're going to do no contact voltage, right? We're going to check to see if there's voltage here, which is where you see there's this caution. That's where the electrical is. Go to that outlet, and there's definitely voltage there, but there's not here, right? So then after that, let's go ahead and take off this little service screw with a little screwdriver. Pull this sucker out. And then here, you pretty much have your wires, right? There it is. And of course, for the extra reassurance, you can always put your voltage on and actually measure at the wires, right? Just like that. Okay, we still got 0 voltage. Okay, so we are good to go now, right? The next step is, after we've double checked that, you can even triple check it. I always like to check a nearby outlet, right, that we know it has power, and then the wires that we're working on. So after you can chop the wires now, and you can essentially well, actually, you don't have to chop them just yet, but eventually we will have to chop them. But anyways, we put that on, put that aside, and now you find the screws that they use to mount them, to mount this baseboard to the wall. This very strange folks decided that it would be a good idea to put in nails. You can see the nail head right there, and then you can see another nail head on this end over in here, right there, and underneath right there. But if you take this other screw off, it does make it easier to pretty much take this apart a little bit easier. Sorry, I'm moving around as always. You guys know that I could be using a GoPro, but I am not. So, but hey, it is what it is, okay? So now that we took this little weird cover off, now essentially we can just yank those 4 nails right off with a pretty much a pry bar and a hammer, whatever you have available, just like this. Okay, grab my pry bar here. It's gonna be a little bit tough. Sorry. Can be a little bit of a nuisance. You can also kind of just pry the back a little bit. Like that actually worked better. And then we do the same process on this side. Then you can actually move this thing. Again, this is going to require a patch job anyways, so just keep that in mind. You don't have to baby this thing. There we go, got one out. Now it's time to do the top one here. Almost. Okay. Kind of a pain. A little bit of a pain, but there it is, right? Now again, you make sure you pull this out so that it can come out, the wires can come out straight. I'm gonna have to put a long screwdriver in there or a pry bar. Alright, so we put a screwdriver in there. You could use a pry bar. I don't have mine on me, but I do have a. There it is, right? Feed the wires through. It's a big old black spider right there. R.I.P. Did I get it? I got it. R.I.P. Black Widow. So that's pretty much it, y'all. You know, it's up to you at this point whether you're going to replace the baseboard heater or just cancel it out. If you're gonna cancel it out, well, obviously all you got to do is, you know, put these wire nuts on and tape it, right? And either stuff it back into the junction box if there is one in there. If not, you may want to put one in there, and then just cap it off if you're gonna, you know, not use it anymore, or, you know, reverse engineer this and put the new one on. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.